Working with elevation data for mapping or flight simulation? DT2 files contain high-resolution terrain information used by military and aviation systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these digital terrain elevation data files. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken DT2. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. DT2 files are DTED Level 2 digital terrain. Elevation data files a military standard terrain elevation format. They contain gridded elevation values at approximately 30-meter post spacing, covering 1-degree geographic cells used for line-of-sight analysis, flight planning terrain, visualization, and geospatial intelligence applications. DTED Level 2 DT2 files use a binary format specified by MIL PRF 89020B with user header label data record headers and elevation post data stored as 16-bit signed integers and geographic coordinates. Each file covers a 1-degree cell with 3601 x 3601 elevation posts at 1 arcsecond spacing. Esri defined Esri ArcGIS Pro as the main handler for DT2 files. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows shows limited information, needing GIS applications for real usage. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your DT2 file and choose Open With. Test Esri ArcGIS Pro first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If your DT2 file still refuses to open, stay calm. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the DT2 format. First, opening in GIS software. Open the DT2 file in QGIS by using Layer, then Add, Layer, then Add, Raster Layer, and browsing to the file. QGIS reads DTED format through GDEL and displays the elevation data as a raster layer. Apply a color ramp style for visual elevation representation. ArcGIS Pro also supports DTED import natively. Next, visualizing terrain. In QGIS, apply a hillshade or color ramped symbology to visualize the terrain. Use raster, then analysis, then hillshade to generate a shaded relief view. Combine the hillshade with elevation coloring for a 3-dimensional appearance. In ArcGIS Pro, use the elevation surface tools for 3D terrain visualization in a scene view. Finally, converting to standard formats. Convert the DT2 file to GeoTIFF format using GDAL command line tools with GDAL translate input, DT2 output.tiff. GeoTIFF provides broader compatibility with GIS and 3D visualization applications. In QGIS, right-click the loaded raster layer and select Export then Save as to convert to GeoTIFF with your preferred coordinate reference system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.